What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I'm back with another video for you guys. Tonic recently made some announcements. The XRP integration, in my opinion, is huge. I know a lot of people are, they're kind of getting bored of Tonic's price action, and I fully understand that, but you got to be patient, man. You're supposed to be able to hold for at least a year or two before you see any type of moves in the market, guys. I'm telling you, you have to be patient. That's just how it is, man. I know there's a ton of other projects, or some meme coins and other projects that are going bonkers, but there's a lot of altcoins that haven't taken off as yet, and we haven't seen alt season. Tonic is one of those altcoins. There's many altcoins I can name right now off the top of my head that hasn't started to move as yet, but eventually they will, as long as the team is building, the team is active, community is still engaged. They're gonna get their time to shine as well, right? That's just how it is, right? In the last cycle, we saw a ton of altcoins start popping off. It always happens unexpectedly, just like the previous move Tonic did. It always happens unexpectedly. Tonic fan, we're about to dive into it in this one. Also overall news as well, which could be very powerful and great for Tonic as well. I have to bring it up again. I think I closed it out by mistake. But yeah, if you're tuned in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys. Get the channel to 4,000 subscribers. Thanks so much for getting me to 3,000. And we're gonna keep growing, guys. Always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Go support the previous Tonic videos and my Tonic playlist. Now, Tonic is sitting at $31.2 million in market cap, 70K in 24-hour trade volume, guys. Price action, not the best, everybody's kind of like, not everybody, but there's some that are kind of like upset that it's not breaking out when other projects are breaking out. But there's a ton of altcoins that are great altcoins that I know of that aren't breaking out either. It's just patience, guys. I really think it's just gonna be you being patient, and just like we saw this move back here in January, we could see another move like that, but it's just gonna be unexpected. So what do? You DCA. If you already got your bag, you had more than enough time to accumulate, in my opinion. If you already got your bag, be happy with that. My apologies if a vehicle was passing by, but yeah, if you already got your bag, just chill on your bag. If you got a diversified portfolio, chill on your bag of Tonic, diversify that portfolio, start working on another bag, because you got a ton of time to accumulate. This is when you accumulate, this is when you DCA, and then you just be patient, man, because these type of moves in price action are gonna happen fast and unexpectedly, like we saw in January, right? Everybody was super amped about that move, right? So moves like that will happen again. It's just patience. It's really just patience, right? So let's move on. From the Tectonic Twitter, they say, the Tonic team says, hold on tight, Crow and Tonic army. We're continuously building and already preparing for another exciting update next week. Stay tuned for what's coming, right? Ton of likes and retweets. That's what I'm saying. The Tonic community is very engaged. 4,000 views for this tweet, and it was only posted 3 hours ago. I don't know what they have planned, but again, this to me is super bullish. The XRP integration that they did is very, very bullish, and I think that deserves a clap for the team. This is again enhancing and growing the Tonic ecosystem and the protocol, giving it more use case, right? Haven't checked DeFi Llama in a while. Let's take a look at DeFi Llama. I haven't checked DeFi Llama in a while. Let's see. Let's go to Tonic. 194 mil in TVL. Came down a bit, but I'm telling you, that will surge when it comes back to, when we go back to the bull run, guys. That will absolutely surge. but it's still the #1 DeFi protocol on the Chronos chain. Even VVS is down, man. That's what I'm telling you. Just gotta be patient. VVS is at $148.9 million in TVL. Pharaoh at 34 million, right? Tonic is still #1 with 194.7 million in TVL. And you know, DeFi, or you know, money being locked into the Chronos ecosystem, Chronos will always be, you know, keeping their eye and willing to support Tonic, because look at how much money that they have locked in their ecosystem, right? You just can't ignore the numbers. You really can't ignore the numbers. So coming back to when we're getting more and more bullish, getting back into the bull cycle, whenever the TVL starts to go up, expect the Tonic price to start to go up too, man. I'm telling you. And expect Crow to explode as well, just like it was doing back in March. You know how high the TVL was at 3.8 billion total overall, right? 3.8 billion total overall in April of last year. When we're getting back into those bull run times, those bullish trends, expect the TVL next time around to maybe go to new all-time highs, right? And that's gonna be because Tonic is the #1, you know, DeFi protocol. It's more than likely gonna be the one getting a ton of the TVL, then VVS, etc., right? And with that happening, there's going to be more users in the Tonic ecosystem, which then in turn, you know, is going to be positive for price action, right? So fact checker, guys, Tonic reach a good buying point. Don't get caught by surprise as Tonic starts trending again. Completely agree with fact checker. From FA and FO, Tonic X XRP. That is super bullish. You know, the users of the ecosystem, the people that actually use the Tonic ecosystem are bullish, and they know how powerful that integration is, man. And the huge news I was telling you guys about earlier right here: China may unban Bitcoin and crypto this year. I had it pulled up as well. That 1.4 billion people is the population of China. Imagine 20 to 30% of those people get back into the crypto space when China unbans Bitcoin and crypto, right? Only 30% of those people, right? It's gonna be hundreds of millions of people getting back into the space, you know, getting into projects, getting into Bitcoin and Ethereum and other projects. Maybe they even get into the Crow ecosystem, right? Maybe they scoop up some Tonic, some Crow, guys. And this is the thing with the market being bullish. Again, we will see altcoin season, and Tonic is an altcoin. It's gonna be a part of altcoin season. It's really just patience, right? Is Crow breaking out? See, Crow is not breaking out yet. Crow is coming down too. See, Crow is not breaking out. Whenever Crow starts to break out, that's when Tonic starts to break out. That's when it's gonna happen, man. That's gonna be full-on alt season. Right now, only a few projects are really moving. A ton of projects are still like, you know, haven't made that impulse yet with Bitcoin, right? So, you know, just give it patience, just give it some time, guys. Again, Tonic fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share this with the rest of the Tonic fam and community, and please become a Patreon. First link in the description. Join my crypto elite tier for my buy alerts and sell alerts and access to my private Discord. Just made a few calls on the Patreon, and I'll give you, you know, in the next few weeks to month, I'll let you guys know the results, man. I'm telling you. Again, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.